Hi everyone, welcome again to the channel. My name is Emanuela, and on this channel I share legit information on different ways to make money online. In this video I'll be sharing an interesting app or interesting site with you by the name Repocket, in which you can actually make money by sharing your unused internet. Repocket is actually a site in which you can actually download to your device and you share your unused data and you make money on a monthly basis. All you need to do is just to go ahead and you download this app to your device, you sign up and you allow it on the internet just like that, and all the unused data will be shared to this site. And how much you actually make in a monthly base is dependent on the following factors. Number one, the speed of your internet. Number two, your current location. Number three, the number of devices that you have actually downloaded this app. Number four, the number of referred users that you have actually referred them to this site and they are using it. So these factors all will determine how much you will actually make by sharing your unused internet. This internet is usually used by clients of the Genode proxy services to do different activities such as monitor stock prices, do research on Google, do competitors research and other activities. And all your information that you use to sign up on this site is usually private and it can never be shared anywhere. So if you are actually interested to share your unused internet on this site and make money on a monthly basis, make sure you follow this video till the end, because I'm going to be sharing my screen and showing you how to sign up, download. When you download this app to your phone, all you need to do is to allow it on the internet. All your unused internet will be shared on this site, and you can actually also make money by referring others to the site. And anybody that sign up with your referral link, it will go ahead to increase the money that you actually make on this site. So I'm just going to go ahead to share my screen with you and to show you how to go about it. There was a video I make on this channel, a site known as honeygain. I will equally leave the link of that video on this video's description so that you should actually see how honeygain, how you can actually make money with honeygain, sharing your unused data. As you can see on your screen, this is Repocket. I'm going to leave their link on my video's description below. This is their interface right here, and I'm just going to be making some review of some elements that you need to note when you are working with this site. As you can see here, they say income depends on several factors, including your location, device type, mobile carrier, speed of your internet, number of devices, number of referred users, and the amount of traffic routed through your device. So as you can see, this is their interface right here. When I click on facts, you are going to see some of the facts that you need to know concerning this site. The first site, the app won't work if you are using a VPN. So you don't need to use VPN when you are using this app. Currently, the app only supports English, but other languages will be added in future. As you can see, they say the minimum withdrawal amount in US dollars is 20 US dollars. So if you have up to 20 US dollars, the withdrawal button will be activated for you to withdraw. So you can just go ahead. They say users are only allowed to have one Repocket account and one PayPal ID. Any user found to have multiple Repocket accounts will have their other account banned and withdrawals rejected. So you are only entitled to one account. You don't need to open several accounts under your name. As you can see here, they say they currently use PayPal and will be integrating other options in the futures. So users must have their own PayPal account to withdraw. And they say the only accepted countries, they say we currently use mobile and Wi-Fi connection. We accept all countries apart from North Korea, Cuba, Iran, Syria, and Venezuela. So if you are in any of these countries, you are not reliable, or you don't need to sign up for this account. You are not authorized to sign up an account with Repocket. So I'm just going to go ahead to show you how to sign up. When you click on create an account, go ahead, you enter your names, your email address, your password. You enter every information that you need to enter concerning this account. Then you enter your password. When you enter your password, $5 sign up bonus will be added to your account. As you can see here, anybody signing up for an account with Repocket, $5 will be automatically added to your account. Remember that you need to go over to your email address in order to confirm your email, which I'm just going to go ahead to verify my email address. As you can see here, you click on this link to verify your email, and after that is done, it will lead you to the home page. As you can see right here, you can go ahead. This is my account. You can go ahead and download the app. When you click on this drop down arrow, you see the different devices that you can actually download Repocket to. You have Android, iOS, Mac Intel, Mac Apple Silicon, Linux, Windows, and all the like. So these are the different apps that you can download this Repocket to, and you begin to share your internet as well as referring others to the site. And this is the $5 sign up bonus that anyone that sign up for an account is entitled to. And this is my AP address. You can actually refer others to the site by copying your referral link and sharing with others. So I can just go ahead. Since I'm using Windows, I click on download. Then as you can see, this is the app right here downloading on my machine. So I can equally go ahead, and after it is done, I will go ahead and install it on this machine, and I begin to share my internet with Repocket, and I make money online. This is my referral link. I'm just going to copy it and put it on the description box. Please use my referral link. So this is how you can actually download Repocket to your phone, to your computer, to your iPad, and you share your unused internet to the site and make money. If you find any value in this video, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel by clicking on that red subscribe button below this video. Equally turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop a new video on this channel, you will be notified. Equally give me a thumbs up and see you in the next one.